If you have no idea what to do next, where to go next, take your melody high. If you can't take it high, take it low and repeat it again low, and then take it high and then come back low. What's the deal, ladies and gents? It's your boy back with another video. Today, I'm going to break down Travis Scott's songwriting techniques in the song Highest in the Room. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment what you'd like to see next. And if I get enough requests for that particular artist or song, I'll make a video as soon as possible. Without any further ado, let's get into it. Travis Scott is using basically one melody with slight variations to it. The original melody is Cases Fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. Hope I make it out of here. In those two sections, I'll call them A and B. The A's will end in the rhyme of zoom, room, that sound, and then the B's will rhyme with idea and here and you know what I'm saying. The air, I'll kind of explain it. Those will be the B's. And so what he does is he took the original melody and he just went back and forth with them throughout the song in order to create variations so that same melody doesn't get boring. Message. You come up with a melody, and let's say the melody ends with the word is. So the second one needs to sound like that, but it needs to end with a different rhyming sound or a different ending sound, like ooh or ah. So you'll have is and ah, or ooh and ah, you know what I'm saying, to add that variation. And then you can switch between two of them in order to create a full melodic pattern. Dun, dun, that's the one. Dun, 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 dun. That's the get out of here. Case of fumes, that's the one. She fill my mind up with ideas. Highest in the room. Okay, so cases fumes. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. Okay, so and that's what he used to come up with his hook and his melody. And now in the second part, when he goes into the verse, you'll notice the beat, it really drops. It comes in with more percussion and it's driving more than it was previously. And what that did is that added momentum and energy to the beat. And so when those drums dropped and more energy came into the beat, it told Travis, okay, I need to come with more energy. So what is a way for you guys to come with more energy? Okay, take your melody and bring it in a higher note, a higher register. So I'm gonna show you what I mean by that, going into a higher register. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm gone. I see some things that you might fear. Yeah, I'm doing the show, I'll be back soon. Yeah, that ain't what she wanna hear. Notice how I went high. And he went back to the original melody that is the whole melody for the song or the one for the hook. And so when he injected more energy, he just took it high. But the thing is it added tension. So it needed to be resolved. So basically take tension as the question. The that's the question, and the answer is If you wouldn't have heard him go back down, then it would have been unsettling. You would have waited for him to settle that tension that he created when he went high. He had to come back home. This is more advanced songwriting, but in basic terms is if you use a high melody, the next logical way to go is you can go with another high melody, but eventually you're going to have to come down to the original melody because that's the home melody. That's going to create structure to your melody, and it's also gonna help you. So you guys, when you're creating your melodies, and if you're gonna go low, you're going low and you're wondering where to go next, you can take it high. But when you go high, you come back around, and this is gonna create a melodic shape. Remember when I told you in my earliest video, the melodic shape should go like this. It should have a leap, but that leap, it has to come down to home base in order to be melodic. After he does that part, then the drums go away. They don't go away fully, but the part that brought more energy, that part goes away, and the beat is a little more subdued like it was in the hook. So what does Travis do? Since the energy is kind of gone, I'm going to come back down to earth with my energy. So he goes, now I got her in my room, legs wrapped around my beard. Got the faster car at Zoom. Now, can y'all guess where he's gonna go next? He's gonna go low, right? Because he went high and he has to settle it. So it's got the faster car, zoom. And at that point, that's when the pre-chorus or the bridge comes in and all drums drop. And that's when he goes, when I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie. Won't cross my heart, don't wanna die. Keep that pistol on my side. Okay, and he's basically using the same melody, but what he did is, because the drums dropped out, to make it more dramatic and to add variation, he moved from the and the ear rhymes, and he added the I. Why? Because that allowed him to sing those words, and it added variation, and so it's building more tension because you're waiting for that hook to come back. You're waiting for him to but when he goes he's creating tension, and that tension settles when he comes back around with the hook, and it settles even more when the hook is finished and the drums drop. He can't keep going back and forth to the well the whole song, or it's going to get boring. So what happens when the beat drops? I'm going to take, what did he do? He took his melody higher. And when he went high, he knew he had to resolve it, so he came back. Message. If you have no idea what to do next, where to go next, take your melody high. If you can't take it high, take it low and repeat it again low, and then take it high and then come back low. Remember, come up with a melody. Come up with a melody that's similar to that, but it's different at the end. Use those two to create a pattern. And then when the drums drop, take it higher and then go low. Go high, go low. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the highs and lows, man. And that's pretty much it. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.